It's crazy to think that the moment that we both have been dreamed of has finally arrived. The moment where our soul becomes one. The moment where I will adore you, embrace you, and protect you, and love you for eternity. The moment where I can now call you my beautiful wife.
The day I've been waiting for my whole life is finally here. I remember how cute you were on our first date and how nervous I was to tell you the feelings I had for you. I remember our first hug, our first dance, and all those butterflies that you gave me. We were so in love, and we still are. What we have is truly remarkable and out of this world.
Kelly, I want you to know, if there's one thing that Poor loves more than fishing, it's you. Poor has always been a great guy and a great friend to me. And I know that he will be a great husband and a great life partner to you. I couldn't be more happier that you are marrying my best friend.
I promise to laugh with you and comfort you during times of joy and time of sorrow. I promise to pursue you, to fight for you, and love you unconditionally and wholeheartedly for the rest of my life. I'm the luckiest person on earth to call you mine, and I take you as my wife till death do us part.
Poor, you are more precious to me today than you were yesterday, and you will be more cherished tomorrow than you are today. Please wear this ring as a symbol of eternal love and growing love for you and always.
I remember when you guys first met each other, like she was so into Poor. You guys were prom dates, right? But different pairs. So Prom had his own prom date. Kelly had her own prom date, and it's okay. Because my best friend told me, you know what, they're gonna end up together. And I was like, are you sure? She was like, yes. My yes said that, yes, trust me, they're gonna marry each other. And I did not believe it. And I am so thankful that they did because, you know, honestly, Poor, you are the best person for my sister.
You will be so wonderful together with so many amazing memories you will both create for the rest of your lives. Poor, I just want to thank you for being there for her. And I'm so freaking happy for the two of you. Gundot, ni only jong shia, she lu mu itzi.